Once again to another episode of how to make passive income through the internet. Today I'm going to be showing you a new faucet that I just found out that is highly paid. So before I go through this new faucet, I want to tell you that if you are new to cryptocurrency, if you don't know what is cryptocurrency and the benefits you can generate from using cryptocurrency, I'm going to be doing a video for it. So if you are interested in knowing more about cryptocurrency, please leave a comment in this video. Leave a comment of saying you want to know more about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is one of the best ways you can make passive income through the internet without doing anything. And cryptocurrency, you can actually get cryptocurrency for free. Although if you want to buy cryptocurrency, I'm going to be showing a video, a specific video of how you can purchase cryptocurrency, where and how to get cryptocurrency. Now what we talk about cryptocurrency, we have a lot of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency origins from Bitcoin, which was the first cryptocurrency that was formed through the blockchain technology. We also have what we call Litecoin, which is Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, and others. We have the Ethereum Classic. We also have the Dash Coin. We have the Doge Coin, and so on and so forth. So today I want to talk about this high paying, I repeat again, high paying faucet that has been working for me automatically. Today let me show you. Before you can register on this website, which is a free faucet that gives you free cryptocurrency, you need to click on my link below. Okay, you need to click on my link below. Yes, you can see this is my link. You can actually pause this video and copy this link. This is my link, my reference link. You can copy it. I will also leave this link in the description below, so you can register for these cryptocurrency. You refer a user and earn 15% of all their claims. Okay, so you can benefit from this opportunity. So let's go straight to what we have here today. How can we earn cryptocurrency? What are the cryptocurrencies we are talking about here? One, we have the Dogecoin. You can see from the beginning here, this is the Dogecoin, and they give you a minimum of 500,000 Doge Satoshi that you can make automatically into your account. We have the Ethereum Classic, we have the ES Gold, we have the ES Silver, we have the Ethereum, we have our most important cryptocurrency. I love this cryptocurrency, I don't know why, Litecoin. We have the Ripple, we have Bitcoin, which is number one cryptocurrency with a big, with about 150 billion US dollars market cap. We have Candino, we have Trezors, we have Tron, we have Zcash, yes, we have Redcoin, we have PIVX, we have Neo, we have Bitcoin Cash, we have Dash, we have Monero, we have Gigabyte, and so on and so forth. So there are a lot of cryptocurrency here. And again, you can't just create an account for these free Faucet. You need to have before you can create an account, you need to have a Express Wallet ID for you to be able to create an account. I'm going to make a separate video for that, so you can be able to log in. This is all legitimate. And again, I want to say, I noticed that a lot of people have not subscribed to my Instagram page and also on my YouTube channel. A lot of people are not subscribed. So for you to benefit benefit from my videos, please, I want you to click on the follow button. Place your comments so we can all help this channel to grow. I want the channel to grow and reach out to as much people as possible, because I believe in we rise by lifting others. Okay, Let me click on my dashboard. You can see from my dashboard here that we can earn cryptocurrency from simply power earning. You can see power earning. By clicking it, we have the Faucet. Power earning gives you the opportunity to earn cryptocurrency of your choice automatically. Now this is the power earning Faucet. You can see my time. I already clicked on it, so I have to wait for a minimum of 175 seconds. So as we are waiting, let me show you another way we can also earn from this cryptocurrency. Let's click on the dashboard and see what we have here. Now you can see the power faucet. This is the power faucet. I have about 0.0006323 of the power mining. This is like a cloud mining system, but I have to I was given every 575 seconds I can generate 853 of it. So it gives me an opportunity to earn Litecoin that I've chosen. You can see my Litecoin that I've chosen, and the minimum I need to have into my account automatically, it is withdrawn automatically into my Express wallet. It is 30 Litecoin. Now let's go back here and see that here we can exchange. Now there is also another benefit. We have the EC token, which is the token that these free Faucet or this website gives. Now I have 4,170. I can exchange it by clicking on this button. You can see I want to exchange it for 24 hours. 24 hours here, I have to click on the amount I have. I want to use all of it, and it will show you the amount of, okay, this is the amount of Satoshi I'm going to have in Litecoin, 176 Satoshi. So when I click on this, I'm going to save it. Automatically it adds to, now you can see my EC token has been exchanged for power, because this is the most important thing. The power mining gives you automatic mining that will help the site to search for Litecoin and add it to your account. When you have a minimum of 30 Litecoin, it automatically credits into your account. You can see after I converted it, I already have 140 Satoshi. Okay, so that is it. I already have 140 Satoshi, and for me to be able to generate this, what I will do is I have to click on this. You can see I can claim EC token. By clicking on EC token, let me see what I have. Yes, I can now claim 833 ECT token. So I click on it. It gives me an option to click on the boat. I think this is the boat. I think this is a boat. This is a boat. This is a boat. This is a boat. Now let's see what we have. Yes, I click, and here we go. I already have, you got 833 EC token. This is a very high paying Faucet. This is the first time I've seen something like this. Okay, it's a very high paying Faucet. Okay. Oh, I'm booted out of these site. Okay. So I have to log in again. Yes, I'm back in. You can see from here it has been credited 803 EC token, and you can see from my power mining PM I already got an increase of 5,039. So we can see from our PM Faucet what I have here. Yes, I can claim also. Let's claim for 1 hour 833 PM. Yes, for every 1 hour I have 800. Okay, you can see they gave me 867 token of mining power and one EC token. And what is the reason? Because of my loyalty. So the more time you spend in this site, the more percentage you have. They give me 4% and a maximum of 50%. So this is very, very wonderful. This is very good. So I have to click, you have to visit this site and use it regularly for you to be able to benefit the usage. Now I only clicked on I only clicked on Litecoin because that is the most important um, cryptocurrency that I wanted. You can click on any cryptocurrency and give it 100% mining power. So I have to wait for 548 seconds. As it can't let me show you what I'm trying to say here. Now let's go back to my cryptocurrency that I clicked. You can see that the Litecoin now is now 55 Satoshi. Now what I have previously has been credited into my account, into my Express wallet automatically because it is automatic. And I have increased my mining power to be 100%. You can see from here. People, you can increase it to any amount you want. You can increase it to any amount you want, but I left mine for 100%, so I can have only Litecoin. Now you can share, you can make it 50% and activate any other cryptocurrency that you wish, and it's going to be 50-50 for it. So I hope you love you enjoy this video, and I want to encourage you that more upcoming videos of how you can make passive income at the comfort of your home will be coming your way every day. So if you really want to change your financial situation, if you want to have a side way of making income, or you want to be at home at the comfort of your home making income through the internet, I think you should click on my follow button, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be having updates. I hope you enjoyed this video. Place your like. I hope to see you in the next video.